Okay, just now I am visiting the Aluri Vijaya's farm. It is totally 100% zero budget natural farm and very satisfied after observing all the crops and very fantastic crops, very healthy crops, and I think that it will be a big best model of the zero budget natural farming in this northeastern area of the Andhra Pradesh. Basically, there are so many problems now. Entire humanity is facing food crisis, suicides of the farmers, migration of the youth from the rural area to urban area, degradation of the soil, pollution of the water and environment, global warming and climate change. So many problems.
Infertility of
The human youth. And there is no solution with the government and agriculture universities also. Yesterday, there was a 2-day workshop at Visakhapatnam organized by the Andhra University, and the scientists will participate from throughout universities in India. But I have seen none of the participants has given any solution because they have no solution. But I think that we are giving 100% solution to solve all these problems. That is zero budget natural farming. Our population will be doubled within 2062, and now we are producing 25 crore metric ton of the food grain. We want 50 crore metric ton of the food grain. That means double than today. And it is proved that by means of the chemical farming and by means of the organic farming, the production per acre of every crop is reducing continuously. That means if it is a reality that by means of the chemical and organic farming, the crop production is continually reducing, how we can maintain the double production, how we can produce double production, this is the question to be asked to government of India, state government and agriculture expert and universities people also. And I think that zero budget farming is the solution because we have proved by means of the zero natural farming, we are taking more production than chemical and organic farming. Even I will assure nation that by means of the chemical farming, the hybrid seeds and genetically modified seeds are giving more production than local seeds. But in zero budget natural farming, it is proved that our local seeds of every crop are giving more production than genetically modified seed and also hybrid seed. BT cotton, our BT cotton in zero budget natural farming is giving more production than chemical BT cotton. Even our local BT varieties, our local cotton varieties are giving more production than BT cotton in zero budget natural farming. We have given the alternate for every challenges, and I think that only one challenge solution, that is zero budget natural farming. Again, in this year, what is happened in Maharashtra and entire North Karnataka also, and even in Marathwada and Vidarbha, there was no rain at all for 2 months. There was no rain, drought condition. But the people has observed the miracle. Never soybean crop was totally dried in chemical farming. Never chemical cotton was totally dried. Never sugarcane was totally dried. Even paddy was dried because of no rain, and their vegetables were dried. But neither our zero budget natural farming plant was healthy with full greenery and was giving the surplus income and production also. We have shown if there is a drought condition, we have a capacity to keep away from the drought condition, and our plant will be survive, no doubt, and will give the production also. So in drought condition, we can give the production. Even in the cyclones, now this eastern part of the Andhra Pradesh and western part of the Andhra Pradesh, there are 2 cyclones in Chennai also, in Tamil Nadu also, and people have seen the miracle that chemical farming crops were totally destroyed. They never recovered, but on the contrary, never zero budget natural farming paddy was alive, not destroyed. Even mango and all other crops were totally survived. So we have proved in heavy rainfall, otherwise in cyclonic condition also, because this is the coastal area of the Andhra Pradesh. You are facing so many cyclones every year, so it is very essential to adopt this technology, zero natural farming, by your government. And
Special Chief Secretary is witness to
and
this.
I am very happy that government of Andhra Pradesh has appointed one special secretary for agriculture, that is Dr. Vijay Kumar. He was a joint secretary at New Delhi in Rural Development Ministry. He was my friend. Now he has organized, that means Andhra Pradesh government has organized 8-day workshop at Kakinada, 24th to 31st of the January, near about 4,000 5,000 farmers and officers.
1,000 farmers.
1,000 farmers, 4,000
officers.
officers will be participating in that workshop, and they will be a senapatis. They will be a teachers after the 8-day workshop, and they will teach the people. They will teach the farmers when they will go to their mandals, and they will organize small meetings of the farmers. So I think that this the best beginning has been done by your government in Andhra Pradesh. And last one, I will give one. I will precise one point that we have shown in zero-waste natural farming, local seeds are giving more production than hybrid seed. And maybe we have the local seeds of the paddy and all other crops. Those farmers who are willing to practice zero-waste natural farming, we will provide the seed, local seed, no doubt. But it is very essential to start one campaign by the government of Andhra Pradesh to save the local seed. It is a legal commitment of the government, because the Parliament of India has passed the bill, that is the Biodiversity Preservation and Conservation Act 2002. According to that law, every government, maybe central government, maybe state government, are legally committed to preserve and protect all varieties, local varieties of the crop, all local varieties of the crop, all local breeds of the Deshi cows, including your Mongol, and all local languages. So it is the commitment, legal commitment of the Andhra Pradesh government. They have to conserve, they have to preserve local varieties, they have to collect the local varieties from the tribal people or those farmers who are practicing local varieties, and they have to distribute to the farmers. I think that this campaign also is very essential. And from Andhra Pradesh, for hybrid seed, genetically modified seeds, fertilizers, insecticides, tractor, instrument, and all other inputs, lakhs of the crowd are going outside Andhra Pradesh. If the Andhra Pradesh government will accept this technology as a policy, they will start zero-waste natural farming in the entire state. All outgoing money will be stopped, and that crores and crores of the money can be utilized for rural development in rural area, and there will be a big change, I think that. So I will be thankful to Luri Vijaya. She is doing very fantastic job here, and I will be thankful for especially Vijay Kumar ji and government of Andhra Pradesh, and even Pawan Kumar ji also is doing very fantastic job. Swadhikar NGO, and he will be a key person. He has a great role to organize this 8-day workshop at Kakinada. And Vijaya, you will be a captain now in Northeast Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.
So.